Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I wanted to share with you the dies that are coming out on December 1st at scrapdivadesigns.com. This is such a great release. I can't wait to show you. I will have my referral link down below. If you click on that and place an order, I do get a commission. Doesn't affect your cost, but it does help me and my channel out. And don't forget to use the code Strawberry Cream at checkout to receive 10% off. These products will be available on Friday, on December 1st. So since they do tend to sell out, make sure you get your orders in as soon as you can. So I will go ahead and show you all the dies. I have started working on a couple. I'm going to show you one today. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that already, that project. But I'm having so much fun working on these, and yeah, I hope you like them too. Okay, so the first one I wanted to show you is this die set, and this is called the Star Closure Clip Tags. I love clip tag dies because they make making tags so much easier. All you need is the one piece, and as you can see at the closure, it leaves an opening when you run it through your die cutting machine, so you don't have to like thread anything through a hole to tie it on. You just clip it on to like a ribbon on a gift bag, or whatever you're adding a tag to, it just clips right on. And this one has a little star shape for the opening, which is super cute. And so there are these 4 different sizes. There's these are the 2 medium ones, and then there's a small one and a large one. And you could probably layer them too in some way, maybe, I'm not sure. But they're stitched and they have a really cute shape too. It's kind of like, I bet you can make that into like a bear shape if you wanted to. But I love it. It's interesting, and you can add all sorts of embellishments to these as you're working on them. So there's that one. This one, you're going to be getting ready for Valentine's Day with some of these dies. This one is called the Heart Globe Shaker. So this makes a shaker, of course, and it's in the shape of like a heart snow globe, which is adorable. Perfect for Valentine's Day crafting, which is coming up. It comes with this plate that cuts out all these little hearts that you could add into your shaker or just use as embellishments. It's got a label for your snow globe down here at the bottom. And then, of course, your layering pieces that you'll need if you're doing a shaker, and also just for decoration. And then there's a layering piece for the bottom as well. So really, really cute. Lots of fun scenes you could put inside of that. This one I did start to work on already. I did put it back in the package because it's a plate die, so all of the dies are stuck together, which is wonderful for flower dies, I think, because you don't lose them. So it comes with, let's see, 6 of the flower shapes, and then 2 of the center of the flower. So these are great poinsettia dies. It's a poinsettia flower set, that's what it's called, because it does leave some embossing in terms of the vein that goes through each of the leaves, and then the little veins that go on the sides of that. So it makes a nice textured poinsettia, and it's very easy to shape as well, and perfect for this time of year. I love making pastel poinsettias, but of course you can make them any color scheme you want, red, white, pink, the typical poinsettias, or just use your imagination. So there's that one. This one I have not started working on yet. This one is called the 3D House Gift Box, and I think I saw somebody post a sneak peek on Instagram of this, and it was so cute. I'm going to put this will probably be in my second project share video, but it comes with all the pieces you need to make a house gift box, and then windows, different shape windows. I think this is like it's the handle for the top of the gift box. So layering pieces too, which is great. So I'm sure that there are going to be so many cute examples of this. So if you'd like to, make practical presents like I do, including gift packaging, this will be perfect. As a matter of fact, I think this would be great to add gift cards for Christmas. So I'm going to try and do that. And then this is an add-on for that. It's a separate purchase. This one is called the Add-on Set 3D House Gift Box. And this one comes with all sorts of embellishments that you can put on the house. So it comes with these like trim pieces that you can make look like icing if you're making a gingerbread house. These are some like icing pieces, with the swirl of icing, and then dots too. There's candies, gumdrops, door, layering pieces, more windows, Here's a roof edging, which has, you know, like you can make it look like snow or icing. And then all sorts of other decorations, lollipops. I love these like heart shapes. You could put those, make them look like windows or just decoration. More candies with the swirls for the lollipops, and then there are swirls for that candy as well. So yeah, this is really fun. I think if you're getting this would be a great addition to put onto that. This one looks like the ornament and wreath set that came out in November. This is the leaves bundle. So this is like, it looks like the same kind of branches that were on the wreath set, but this is just in separate branches. So also on a plate, which is great, especially if you're going to be cutting out multiples at a time. You just have to put this through your die cutting machine with, you could either put one paper with all the, you know, one paper covering all of the die parts to cut out, you know, the same color, or you could put like one strip of paper here to cut out one shade and then another strip on up here to cut out a different color, and then just put them all together. So it's up to you, and there are some different shapes in here too, which is really nice. So that'll make some really nice accents for your projects. So that's a leaves bundle. This is really interesting. This is the tab set number 2. So this cuts out tabs on the edge of your papers if you're going to make like mini albums or journals. And the tabs are nice. They have this nice scalloping design. And of course they stagger on your page. So if you're making it into a journal, you don't have to like, you know, decide where the tab die goes on your page. It just kind of does it all for you. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 different dies there, and yeah, that'll be fun, yeah, for your journals and things like that. This is so cute. This one is called the Winter Hat Memory Decks. So you don't have to make it into a memory decks with dies like this, but it does give you that option, which is really nice. So this one, oh, it's so cute. It makes a cute little beanie with all of the different accents. There's hearts with, let's see, you could probably put those together, like layer them, or they'll just be separate. And then there's this shape that looks like the pom-poms, so that's fun. You could cut out a different color or texture pom-pom, lots of different hearts. Here's a little, let's see, that's a circle, which would go on, I'm not sure where that would go. And then this is so cute, this plate here. You could put this on top of your hat paper and then cut out the designs, and it cuts out the little diamonds for this star and then leaves stitching on the outside, which is really nice, and does the same thing for these pieces. So really makes it look like a sweater, which I think is super cool. And then other accent pieces, cute little trees, a band for the, let's see, this probably goes right here. Yeah. So that is adorable, and if you have some winter paper collections, I think this would be perfect for that. Again, that's the Winter Hat Memory Decks. Next, we have this cute elf, and this is the elf mini album, and there is an elf separate die set, which I'm going to show you the projects I made with that, but this is like the big version of that made into a mini album. So it makes a really cute little elf. Obviously I haven't used this one yet, the mini album, but I'll show you the smaller ones I made, but it looks like everything's the same. It's got the heart-shaped glasses, some leaves. This is a pom-pom die, a base with a mouth and eyes, and then this is a nose. This is, I'm not sure what this piece is off the top of my head, but then here are the base pieces for your mini album. There's the one main piece, then there's a stitch layering piece, and then there's a separate hat piece as well. So really, really cute. Looking forward to making this too. Here's some more words. I love Scrap Diva Designs words. They're always such a pretty font. They're easy to put together and interesting words too. This one is the Christmas Cheer word set. I won't try to read all of them. I know that bothers some people, but I'll give you a few. There's holidays, happy, greetings, elf. Let's see. These are actually pretty easy to read. Seasons with an apostrophe, so seasons greetings. And then we have, let's see, Christmas, Santa's with the apostrophe, and then pole, so there's probably north in there somewhere. Helper, So good. There are a lot of different ones that you can mix and match, which is great for your projects, good for your mini albums, I think. Cheer. So yeah, love that. And they come with shadows, of course. So that again is the Christmas Cheer word set. This one's a really big set. It even comes with this part that's stapled on top of it. This one is called the 3D Chocolate Gift Box. Perfect for Christmas, you know, like little gifts, stocking stuffers, or just if you want to make multiples of them to give to like your neighbors or coworkers or teachers. You know, if you have a lot of people to buy for, if you package an inexpensive gift in a really pretty packaging, it really goes a long way, I think. So this box is absolutely gorgeous. It's got so many different layering pieces. There's the main box piece, of course, but then there are stitch layering pieces. And then it also has this like eyelet trim too, which I just love. And then another stitch piece on the inside, or it cuts out a stitch, you know, part for the inside. And then it says sweet treat there. This part here is, I am not sure what that is, but there's that and that too. This looks like a gusset for the side probably. So this is probably, this looks like it goes on the end, probably another like gusset. So that'll be fun to put together. Usually when I don't know how pieces go together, I'll either watch a tutorial or I will cut out like the outer pieces with some, you know, heavyweight cardstock, and then it's kind of obvious once the pieces are cut out to me how they go together. So that's what I'll do. And then the layering pieces, of course, are easy to figure out where they go. So there's that. And then, oh, these are the ones that I already opened. So this one is called the K-Cup gift box. And I'm working on a project which I'll be able to show you very soon. But this is, again, perfect for this time of year. If you just want to like give a couple of K-Cups to somebody and a beautiful packaging, you know, if you have time, if you have more time than like funds to make your co-workers presents, or if you just need a lot of them or want to make something really unique, if you want to sell them at craft fairs, I think this would be a great way to do it. Anyway, it makes a gift box and it has two spots for K-Cups, and they fit perfectly in there. And then all these decorations too that say coffee break with the shadows. There are these cute coffee cups, and these are layering pieces for that with the little heart. There's a spoon with the heart on the end of it, steam pieces, and here's some more steam with coffee beans too. So yeah, it's really, really cute, this gift box. I have seen some examples on Instagram. Make sure you follow Scrap Diva Designs on Instagram and you'll get sneak peeks of all of these projects, which is what I've been doing. This also goes with that die set too. This is the backing piece, really pretty design on it, which is stitched. And then it does come with this layering piece too that goes right on top, and you can make it look like icing or, you know, whipped cream, whatever you want. So there's that. And then this one I'm working on as well. Actually, I just started. This is called, let me see, this is called the 3D gift purse. So it comes with all of these dies. So it makes a really pretty like rounded purse. I thought that was so interesting. So it's got the main pieces as well as layering dies. And then this one, the main piece and the layering piece are both stitched, which I really like that. Usually it's just the inner piece. And then these are side pieces. Well, it's a side piece. You cut that out twice, layering piece. This is the bottom and the layering piece. And then it comes with all these embellishments as well. Pine cones, little branches with berries on them, and then pine branches as well. And then jingle bells. Aren't those the cutest little jingle bells? So yeah, and these are different kind of branches too. So I'm sure it looks beautiful all layered together. So I will show you that. I'm doing this one in like a traditional color scheme, like red and green. So yeah, looking forward to showing you that. This is the one that I put together. I'm ready to show you. This is the Christmas elf, and it comes with both of these sizes. You saw the bigger one, which is the mini album, and this one has a medium size and a smaller size. So it comes with the face, the hat, layering pieces for the hat, the glasses, leaves, the nose, the eyes, I guess you could use that for an eye too if you wanted to, and that's the mouth. I made my glasses look like sunglasses, so I didn't use the eye dies, but you totally could, and they're really, really cute. So this is the medium-sized one. Isn't that so cute? I used some doodlebug paper, as you could see, like he's looking at some cute little, images off in the distance. And it was just a pleasure to put together. I did a little bit of inking on the outside with like some darker pink than the face, just to make it look like he's, a little rosy. And I put the mouth just kind of on an angle. I thought that was a really cute expression for him. And then, like I said, it came together so quickly, and the layering pieces make it very easy to look really cute. So this one measures about 3 1/8 top to bottom, and then side to side it is about a little bit over 2 3/4. And then I did layer this on top of some Walmart foam board to just pop it up a little bit. And then here's his little brother. This is the smaller one, same kind of papers. This one, instead of using doodlebug paper, I used some like holographic pink paper for the lenses of the sunglasses. Again, you don't have to make them sunglasses. You could put little eyes in there too, but I just wanted to make them into sunglasses. And I used some white glitter paper, just like I did on the bigger one for the trim on the hat. So this one measures a little bit smaller, but still a nice size. It's about 3 1/8 inches top to bottom. How big was the other one, did I say? 3 3/4 about. Yeah. And then this one measures side to side. It's about 2 3/8. So really, really cute little guys. I like these a lot. I think they're so sweet and just really fun embellishments for your crafts. All right, you guys, so that are all of the dies I wanted to share with you. Again, these will be available on December 1st on scrapdivadesigns.com. My referral link will be down below. I hope you enjoyed seeing all of these. A nice mix of Christmas and getting you ready for Valentine's too. And of course, you can, use your imagination, use them for other times of the year too. All right, stay tuned for project videos coming up, and don't forget my discount code, Strawberry Cream, saves you 10% at checkout, and like I said, my link is down below as well. All right, you guys, I will talk to you later, and thank you so much for watching. Bye, everyone.